10 amazing transformations that will come in the world and also inside you when Jupiter enters its exaltation June 2nd in the sign of Cancer till 26th of June 2027, 2nd June this year to 26th June next year 2027. So here are the, you can call them predictions, you can call them my insights, but here are they. Ma, before I begin, if you are new, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the thumbs up. Why don't you hit the thumbs up? And for personalized horoscope queries, you can always go to my website down in the description section. God is there with you. He's certainly there with you now. Just look to him and you will find him. Now, the first thing that will happen is, of course, rise of spirituality because Jupiter represents spiritual values, spiritual beliefs. It shows your connection to the higher self. See, you have to understand what Jupiter is. Jupiter represents the pure consciousness, which is Chit, Sat Chit Ananda. The Atma is Sat Chit Ananda, full of knowledge, eternity, and bliss. And then when the soul identifies with something material, it becomes the sun. Sun is Chitta, which means there is some ego. Okay, now I am not this pure soul. I am somebody, I am an astrologer, I am a YouTuber, I am IT, I am finance, I am this, I am that. That identity is the sun. Then you get to Mars, which is the body, right? I'm born here, I'm born there. So, depending on your karma, Jupiter, Sun, and Mars, this is how the transgression happens. So, Jupiter represents pure consciousness. It's like, the purest of the pure. It's like dead pure, which is which has no material contamination. So, now when this planet enters exaltation sign, people will want to become more spiritual. People will want to think of something beyond the material realm, which is eating, sleeping, mating, defending. Eating, sleeping, mating, sex life, defending. Yeah, something beyond that, right? This is what people will look to aspire for because now they will realize that eating, sleeping, having sex, and defending yourself does not make you happy beyond a certain extent. Number two, there will be rise of Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma, of course, the culture of India. Sanatan Dharma has law of karma, it has the Devi Devatas, and it has Swam Bhagavan, Sri Krishna, of course. So therefore, you will see many people from abroad, foreigners, people from different communities, religions, they will be inspired to practice Sanatan Dharma. Why? Because they will realize how powerful Sanatan Dharma is. Of course, this does not mean they will convert their religion to Sanatan Dharma, but they will be inspired by the ways of Sanatan Dharma, way of life. Of course, there are a lot of religious elements into Sanatan Dharma, Hinduism, then we have Jainism, we have Sikhism, then Buddhism also. It's not exactly Sanatan Dharma, but has some similarities. But nonetheless, you need to understand that people will now be inspired to become spiritual and they will be attracted to some aspects of Sanatan Dharma depending on where they are. So, for example, if a person is not born in a Hindu or in a Sikh family or in a Jain family, they might be inspired to do some practices within Sanatan Dharma. For example, they may develop attraction for some particular Devi Devata, or they may want to read the Bhagavad Gita or the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, Srimad Bhagavatam. You will see this happening more and more, and that's great news. Not because the numbers of our religion will increase, but because people will get a possible they will get they'll get a pathway to look for something higher. Okay, this is very important. It's not about numbers, it is about developing your own consciousness. All right, and also people within their own religion also, if they are outside the context of Sanatan Dharma, they will also be inspired to practice their own religion better. So either ways, this is good. Okay. Number three, there will be rise of Vedic hospitality. So you will see many more and more foreigners. They will be coming to India. They will experience Vedic hospitality. They will experience Indian weddings, Indian culture, Sanatan Dharma, as I said, number two. But this is specifically Indian culture, Vedic hospitality. This will increase because now what will happen? People will people, especially from the West, they will kind of start feeling, that, yeah, everything appears to be nice in the West, but it's only the surface, right? There's a lot of depression, there's a lot of anxiety. People are not happy in the West. I'm staying in the West from 2015 onwards, long time, and I see people, they have more than they have in India, but they're not happy with their lives. Okay. Now, of course, I'm not saying everybody here is in depression, but the meaning, the purpose of life is missing. So because of that, they will want to explore different places, and of course, India will be one of the top travel destinations. So if you are in the hospitality sector and you want to target foreigners, this is a great opportunity for you. All right. Number 4, rise of Bhakti Yoga. Cancer is the sign of Bhakti Yoga. So you will see this new trend, bhajan clubbing, going more and more mainstream. There could be a time in the next 15-20 years when all the prominent, disco bar and everything, they will just stop all this, wine, alcohol, like sex, cigarette, drugs, and all the nonsense, they will stop, and bhajan clubbing will take all over. Imagine in the discos, where all sorts of nonsense goes on, there will be bhajans which will be going on, all right, with prasad and so many other things. All right, so this is great news. So if you are into organizing large crowds, doing bhajan clubbing, organizing them, or you are in the catering business of bhajan clubbing, this is a fantastic opportunity for you. Number 5, this I've already predicted, rise of motherhood. This will come more in 2032, 35, but you will see, yeah, you will see slight traces of this coming. Motherhood as a profession, of course, it's not a profession, but the work in itself, motherhood as an institution has been shamed, denigrated, downgraded, and dismissed beyond repair in the last 100 or at least 50 years, or at least in the last 25 years. Whenever a lady has voluntarily decided to, to embrace motherhood, then she has been shamed by, yeah, her own family members, by her friends, by community people, where they keep asking all the time, hey, when are you getting back to job, when are you starting to earn money again? Oh, shame, shame on you. You are going to become dependent on your husband, in-laws, whatever. Sometimes even the husband is forcing her, go out and work. So therefore, now you will see ladies will openly embrace motherhood. They will flaunt their motherhood. This will happen primarily 2032 onwards, or sorry, 2034 onwards. But you will see this journey will begin now when Saturn, Jupiter will enter the sign of Cancer to some extent. All right. Number 6, rise of family. You will see people will want to get back to the joint family system. Of course, that does not mean they will get back entirely. I'm not saying that will happen. It can't happen in 1 year, because this has been reversed over multiple centuries, to be honest. But you will see people will develop more desire to, yeah, stay close to your to each other's family members. People will want to visit their family members, and if possible they will also want to stay together for some time, or maybe permanently, like, of course, with family members and relatives that they enjoy staying with, not like, oh, randomly you are staying with your chacha, mama, mami, fufa, bua, whatever. All right, so it's not like random out of compulsion, but it's out of choice and out of free will. That is what they will do. All right, this is amazing. Number 7, there will be rise of coaches, mentors, and gurus. So if you are planning to become a coach, a guru, or a mentor anywhere, then in any domain, could be in astrology, or your gym instructor, yoga instructor, teacher in AI, IT, finance, whatever. If you are planning to teach something, this is fantastic. This is mind blowing. So you can visibly see that, like teaching, coaching, these businesses will do much better, because people will look for guidance. This is important. Number 8, there will be rise of holistic development. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. People will realize that money is not all that matters. Money is important, but it's only 25%, because money comes under artha and many things else. But it cannot make you happy if that is the only thing that you have. Yes, when you don't have money, money is the only thing that matters. But once you have a good level of money, good means, not like $1 million, but good enough for you to survive in a proper way, then you realize, money's growth of money becomes like the law of diminishing returns. Okay, so you keep earning more and more and more and more, but your satisfaction level, the rate at which it goes up, keeps diminishing. Okay, so therefore now you will see people will focus on their health, spirituality, dharma aspects, then artha, of course, money, resources, then kama, of course, is married life, family, sexuality, all this, and moksha, of course, trying to be detached, trying to, like, the Ketu related traits. Okay, and they will do a lot of travels, to holy places, holy dhams, as I've already said, Sanatan Dharma, Indian hospitality, spirituality, all these things will rise. So therefore, this is a fantastic time to aim for overall development. And of course, number nine, rise of what is that? Healers and occult specialists. So you will see many people will take to healing, like psychology. They will take to astrology. People will try to understand human nature. People will try to guide others. So you will see people will be into palmistry, numerology. Of course, with this influx of people into occult and spirituality, many fake people will also come, they'll rise, but eventually they will fall down. Okay, so whoever is not genuine will be exposed during this transit. So this is a fantastic time to get into occult and take this as your life and soul, or maybe could be like a side hustle, side income, if you want to become a professional occult healer, you want to become a professional astrologer. Either ways, this is a fantastic time, right? Number 10, rise of communities. This is similar to rise of families, but rise of communities. People will want to stay in communities. They may physically stay somewhere, but they would like to stay close to a particular community. So because of that, what will happen is they will feel a higher purpose. They will feel a divine connection to that particular community, especially most likely it can be a spiritual community, but it could be something, sports community, community of journalists, wherever. So now people will value community leverage. They will value, community importance, the warmth and validation that you get from a community sometimes. So therefore, people will realize that I am not enough alone. I have done myself. I have been the most independent or ruthlessly independent person that could have ever existed, and I can stay by myself. I can survive. Roti kapra makan is there, but that does not mean that is all that is there in life. All right. So therefore, this is a fantastic time to, if you are into hospitality, business, or you are doing something related to occult, guiding, coaching people. This is fantastic. All right. So congratulations to everybody who is already in this domain. And if you are not already in any of these domains, but you want to enter, then this is a fantastic period. Okay. So this transit is starting in another 15, 17 days, another 2.5 weeks. So you should not lose time. So if you want to become an astrologer, yes, start your YouTube channel, start your Instagram account, start writing articles in LinkedIn, tweet some predictions in x.com, formerly Twitter, and you are good to go. And if you are in the hospitality sector, congratulations. All right. God is there with you all the time. Just look to Him and you'll find Him. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button if you're new. For personalized horoscope consultations, you can always go to my website down in the description section. Please take care. Jai Siya Ram, Jai Mahakal, Jai Shri Krishna.